Good morning. Every day. Oh, there's a barge going too, right there. So quiet and peaceful. The tugboat is not even making no noise. My brother used to drive one of those Mississippi River all the way to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Yeah, I know I told you that before too, but I'd love to tell you again. That's a big deal. For me, it is. Okay, look at how nice it is. He's so quiet. I don't know what they take in it. And that is the marina over there. I disturb them every day. I don't know. But maybe they do that kind of thing. Make noises. Sounds good. Okay, bye now.